So I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. Now, my example here is it's just a real simple possible like HR form, and where you have first name, last name, and then hire month, hire year. Now, when you don't limit what people can enter in a form, you have to deal with getting different answers. Maybe somebody will write January, maybe someone will write Jan, or 1, or 01. And sometimes it's important to make sure that you have uniform results. So what I did here is I have different tabs here just because I don't want to have the data that we're using for the form. I don't want it on the form. I have it on the data tab if you look down here at the bottom, and you can hide these just by clicking on hide, and then you can unhide as well once you're done with the form. So I have month, and I'm just going to do numeric months, and then years. I'm easy as that. So the first thing we're going to do is enter the hire month. Now, I'm in Excel 2010, so it may be a little bit different finding where the location is, but I'm going to click on the data tab here, and they make it a little bit confusing. They don't have a drop-down list function. They have data validation. So we're going to click on that and choose data validation. Now, right here under allow, we're going to want to use a list because we have a list of months and a list of years. And then the source, now you can select and name the source, but I'm just going to select the cells. So I'm going to click on this little box here. I'm going to go to my data tab, and I'm going to highlight the months, and that's it. And then click enter, or on this little box here. And you can enter an input message where if they, let's see, so I'm just going to type enter month. Please enter month of hire. So this will show up if somebody selects the cell. Error alert, you can enter stop, warning, or just general information if they type it in, or if they enter something invalid. But I'm just gonna leave that. I'm not gonna use that this time. So now that everything is entered, I'm gonna click on OK, and see right here. There's the message that I typed in, and there's our drop-down box. So we can click 4 for April, I guess. Hire year. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go up to data validation. You can do the little drop-down or just click on this guy right here. Same deal. Allow list, source, and we're going to go to the years, and we're just going to select the years here. Click on here or press enter. There's our information. This time I'm not going to enter either of these. I'm just going to leave it. Hit OK. There's your drop down, and you can select your year. Now, something you might want to consider is maybe making these a different color so they stand out more. Just make them look a little different than the other ones. But yeah, that makes it so much easier rather than letting them enter their own data, which may or may not match with the results that you want. So I hope this helped, and I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and I look forward to helping you out with other tutorials in the future.